Welcome to Bike Informers, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. In today's video, we dive into the much-anticipated 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a mid-weight adventure machine that's poised to shake up the segment with its rugged style, Honda reliability, and new-age performance. Let's explore what makes this new Africa Twin a serious contender for adventurers worldwide. Design, rugged and purpose-built. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 brings the classic Dakar-inspired design language with sharper, more aggressive bodywork. Honda has successfully retained the adventurous DNA of its bigger siblings while downsizing for agility and affordability. It features a slimmer tank, LED lighting all around, a rally-style windscreen, and improved ergonomics for both off-road control and long-distance comfort. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or tackling mountain trails, the Africa Twin 650 looks ready for anything. Engine and performance, power meets efficiency. At the heart of this beast lies an all-new 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, purpose-built for dual-sport adventures. Tuned for low-end torque and high reliability, the engine offers smooth power delivery whether you're crawling over rocks or flying down highways. Honda's refined throttle response, fuel injection system, and lightweight exhaust make for an impressive power-to-weight balance. Expect around 70 horsepower and performance that won't leave you asking for more in real-world conditions. Suspension and handling, built for the rough. Honda has equipped the Africa Twin 650 with long travel, fully adjustable suspension, Showa USD forks up front and a preload adjustable rear shock, ensuring it can handle rough terrains with confidence. The frame has been tweaked for rigidity and weight savings, offering a planted feel whether you're off-road or cornering hard on tarmac. Add to that a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel combo, and you have a serious off-road setup that doesn't compromise on road stability. Technology, smart where it counts. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 may be a mid-weight bike, but it's not light on tech. A TFT color display, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation integration, and smartphone pairing bring a modern touch to your journey. Rider aids like traction control, selectable riding modes, and optional ABS ensure both safety and customizability based on riding conditions. While it avoids the overload of electronics seen in bigger ADV bikes, it delivers just the right amount of smart features for an authentic experience. Comfort and touring capability. Adventure touring demands comfort, and Honda has taken this seriously. The seat is wide, with a tapered front for easier reach to the ground, while the upright riding triangle suits long hours in the saddle. Wind protection is solid, and there are factory options for luggage racks, heated grips, and crash protection. Whether you're riding across countries or just the daily grind, this bike won.